Shalom, brothers and sisters, Most High in Christ bless. All praise to the Most High. Isaiah, pan the camera around. Look at this. So we came in this morning, the team, to start doing the demolition work. We come in, we see all the work pretty much done, the demo work. You know, so what happened is Captain Hananiah, you know, Captain be on fire, be in the spirit. Last night, Captain Hananiah, a couple other brothers, Officer JDL, Officer Onias, Officer Elijah, I think a couple other men, like 6 men. They were up here late after everybody left Saturday night, and they started taking it up.
Yeah, what we got going on?
Yo, listen, we got reconstruction going on. One thing about IUIC, we love to build. Y'all men got to learn how to build. We love to build. We love to work together. We love to get things done. All praise to the Most High. Yeah, we got brothers from San Diego coming up here to LA and chill with us and build with us and help us get this project done. So all praise to the Most High. Y'all stay tuned, continue to watch, and stay in the spirit. Through the power of the Lord, we can do anything we put our mind to.
San Diego.
San Diego.
All right, so what are we doing right now?
We just got done pulling up the floor, man. It looked great in here, even though it ain't done yet. You know what I mean? It's bright. It's looking like it's gonna be lovely once it gets done on nights. What you feel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, what's staring out to me the most is like in Judges 20:1, where Israel came together in one neck and one mind to get a job done, to renovate the school, to make it look beautiful, right? To give that motivation again to the people, so you know they can continue to put in a good work. So all praise to the Most High for what's to come.
Shalom, Most High Christ bless. As you can see, we're done with the grinding of the floor. All praise to the Most High. We ended up putting the plastic on the entire sanctuary because this stuff, it ended up being a lot worse than we thought. We ended up getting a lot more dust than we thought we were going to get. But now the next process is putting leveling concrete to get the little low spots nice and level, letting that set, removing all the plastic off today, dusting everything one more time.
We got the 2 burros right here. Father and son. Burro and burrito. Putting the stencil by the leadership table.